Hello everyone, this is Vahita from CS Department of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to discuss a few topics of the subject CS 3352 Foundations of Data Science. Here we are dealing with describing the relationships. The topic we are discussing here is correlation, scatter plots, correlation coefficient for quantitative data. So first we can see about what is correlation. Correlation refers to a process for establishing the relationships between two variables. We learned a way to get a general idea about whether or not two variables are related is to plot them in a scatter plot. Now let us see the types of correlation. We have positive correlation, negative correlation and no correlation. So this is the diagram which shows the types of correlation. The construction of scatter plots. The independent variable or the attribute is plotted on the x-axis. The dependent variable is plotted on the y-axis, and we use each pair of scores to locate a dot within the scatter plot. The positive or negative or little or no relationship is shown in the diagram. The weight and height are shown in the positive relationship. Okay, height is shown in the x-axis and weight is shown in the y-axis. And in the case of negative relationship, heavy smoking, and next one is life expectancy, that is shown in the negative relationship. Little or no relationship, that is height and expectancy, life expectancy. Perfect relationship, a dot cluster that equals a straight line reflects a perfect relationship between the two variables, age and physical strength. So that comes as a perfect relationship. Curvilinear relationship. The correlation coefficient R is a summary measure that describes the extent of the statistical relationship between two interval or ratio level variables. The properties of R. The correlation coefficient is scaled so that it is always between -1 and +1. When R is close to 0, this means that there is little relationship between the variables, and farther away from 0, because R is either the positive or negative direction, the greater the relationship between the two variables. The sign of R indicates the type of linear relationship, whether positive or negative. Here we have used the formulas to calculate the following computation formulas to calculate the correlation coefficient. When there are two sum of squares terms in the denominator, it is defined using the following formula. Thank you.